Are you new to chalk paint? Let's talk about prepping before you paint. Hi, I'm Natalie Thomas. I'm with Princess Power. And at princesspower.com, we talk about things related to health, finances, and relationships. And one of my side businesses is flipping furniture. So I'm going to flip the phone and tell you about this piece. This stunning waterfall Art Deco little vanity is just about 100 years old, and she is starting to show her age. She's got some missing veneer here, definitely down at the bottom on both sides, and here on the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come out with literally Dawn dishwashing liquid, and I'm going to wash her down. I'm going to dry her off, and then I'm going to take something flat and scrape off the loose veneer. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is get Bondo. Bondo you can get at Home Depot, something like that. It's literally for fixing cars and fiberglass, but it works great on wood. So here's the deal. Bondo is kind of like putty with a little tube of toothpaste. And you scoop out some of the putty. You can use literally a plastic knife. It doesn't matter what you use, it's gonna make a mess, okay? And you squeeze in, let's say, an inch from this little tube of toothpaste. You mix the whole thing together. You don't want to mix much because the cool thing about Bondo is it dries very, very fast. You're going to scrape it in as flat and nicely as you can in the pieces that you need. And because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections that need Bondo on here, I'm not going to be able to do it all at once. Why? Because it sets up too fast. So I'm going to do one, I'm going to mix another one, I'm going to do another. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes for it to dry, and I'm going to come back in with my sander. Now I have an orbital sander. They run about $35. And let's talk about sandpaper grit. An 80 grit is a very coarse grit. When you go up higher in numbers, let's say 220, that's a finishing sandpaper. It's very fine, it's very smooth. So you use the rough one to take a lot off, and that's what I'll use on the Bondo to smooth that out, because the Bondo is going to be messy when it's dry and done. Smooth it all out, and then I'm going to go to work. I paid $35 for this piece this morning. Love, love, love those handles. And then if I really work at it, I can get 2 coats of paint on this today and have it ready to sell tomorrow. Now, I will need also several coats of top coat. And I will probably do a mirror for this because I have something wonderful that I picked up that I think will marry very well together. Marry means when you take 2 pieces that are not related and you put them together. And that may take me a whole extra day. If the weather was just a little bit warmer today, I could get out here and I could spray paint everything and it would be super duper fast, but I'm gonna have to paint by hand today. It's just a little teeny bit chilly. But here's the deal with Bondo. Let's finish talking about that. I'm gonna wear a respirator mask, which is one reason I'm not demonstrating right now. And you need to be somewhere where there's good air, because Bondo is really stinky and not healthy, but it works fantastic. So this is part 1. I'm going to get back to you later as we progress with this beautiful waterfall dresser. So thanks for watching and take care. Bye-bye.